Here is how to practice nano machine hair strokes. You begin by drawing the spine and your primary hair strokes on your latex. Use the microblading mapping pencil that comes along with your microblading kit. Here is the very basic stroke pattern that most microblading students learn in their course. Here I am using a 25-1 RL to go over each stroke. My needle is touching the latex only by the tip. I move my needle very slowly. My motion is to and fro in the body of the brow and I flick towards the end to get the result that I want. I go over each strokes about 3 to 4 times so that I have right amount of pigment in each stroke. Nano brow is closer to the lining brow technique as opposed to ombre brows, which is more about shading. Please excuse me for not using a sharp pencil while drawing the secondary strokes. Your pencil should be sharp so that you can make neater strokes than added. I keep the intensity and darkness of my secondary strokes lighter than my primary strokes so that there is more dimension in my brows. You should practice your nano brows with several different stroke patterns so that you get comfortable in creating whatever you want. I also add shading to the body of the brow to give it more dimension and make it look fuller. It typically takes me 2 to 3 hours to complete a set of nano brows on my client. The advantages of nano brows are amazing. It's less painful in comparison to microblading, it can last longer in oilier skin, and you can create crossing strokes, multiple dimensional strokes, and make your work look more creative in comparison to basic microblading. Also, one of the biggest advantages is that you would rarely see any blood while doing the nano machine hair strokes. So how do you like the final output? Look at the many practices I've done to achieve great results. And here are some of the latest works I have done on my nano brow clients. I hope this video motivates you to practice a lot. So try out this practice method and tag Browmaster Studio whenever you post.